of it here, and Chinala lives up top. The top of the world. It's just this big. Chinala is a country for people who celebrate their birthdays. They invite people, they're nice people. They talk like English girls and English boys hold hands together. And like kids, or grown-ups, or babies. Babies hug to each other, like when they're 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. And people hug each other if they're 5 or 6 or 7.
Oh my God! Wow!
It's this big of the country, and Saturn, and Uranus, and Neptune. They're all different steps of the country of Chinala. They're all in the country.
No,
they snap
God,
together
please, no,
and zoom to the world, and they meet Earth a lot. So they boom and tune tune. And you know, this microwave is very country a little bit. Then we'll get our spins, mix it up, and I know we got to check in the thing, and let's check if it's all done. Yep, it's all done. People love these foods in Chinala. I'll tell you about these. These are yummy. I'll show you them. These are cupcakes cuttables. So you make them in tiny little pieces, and I'll show you them. These are ice cream makers. They look tasty, and they have strawberry ice cream in it. They taste good.
Look behind look at the producer behind the camera. Go ahead, smile. Bang. Say something.
Hi. What's she doing? What's he doing? Hi.
All right. The end. We're done. All right.